So, okay, we found out why it was doing that. So, what you may have, this is a brand new cutter, and I reversed it around. But that is the correct action that you're after. Now, I've brought these cutters from Creality themselves, right? Okay, they're genuine cutter modules, okay? All good. But what seems to have been the problem was this was the action I had on the old cutter. And this was the action I had when I replaced it to the new cutter. Okay, and of course that's just going to jam up, right? Because it's holding it in place. So obviously it's either magnetic or electromagnetic or whatever. This isn't. This is just static magnets. So I had another look at this. And if you get the problem where your old cutter was like this, right? And your new cutter does that, like I did, as you'll see in the video previous, then there is a little magnet on the back here. This wee beastie. So I'm having to look through the camera lens at that, right? And all you do is you poke it out like that. Now you have to take it like this and turn it around like this. Okay, now if I load in the old, this was the old cutter, right? Notice the mark on it. Okay, so it would appear you have to turn it upside down then. So like this, turn it that way up, and then that should reverse the polarity. Of course, getting it back in is a bit tricky, especially if you've never done this before and there's no help online about it. So this is now the old cutter. Oh look, that is now like this, yeah? And if I put the new cutter in, beautiful edge, right? This is what I had, okay? So it's reverse polarity on the magnetism. So we poke that through. We take it out, okay? Sorry, take it out and we flip it over vertically. Not horizontally. That won't make a difference, as you saw a minute ago. It can be really fiddly. Okay, but you know, I've had the grump all morning because of this. Right. Now, if we put the old cutter in. Oh, see? Put the new cutter in. Job done. So if you have it like I did, where you order a bunch of brand new cutters, right, and they snap together like that, now you know you have to flip the magnet vertically, not horizontally. Okay, I hope that helps. Cheers, bye.